In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up guides in Adobe Photoshop and explain why they're so useful. To start things off, head up to File, New, and let's set up our document. The width and height is totally up to you, but for this document I'm going to be using a 1000 by 1000 pixels document, setting the resolution at 300. To get things started, click View and head down to Rulers and make sure it's selected. Now you can see on the side of your documents there's rulers set up on the horizontal and vertical axis. From the top axis, click and drag your mouse towards the middle of the document. You'll know you've reached the middle of the document when the guide sticks into place. Replicate the same step on the y-axis. So now I've got both guides set up, I'm going to head over to the text tool and show you how effective this technique can be. With the guides in place, it's very easy to find the center of the document and make sure that everything is aligned properly. Now if I were to hide the guides using Command and semicolon or Control and semicolon on Windows, you can quite clearly see the difference it makes. Everything just goes so much more smoothly when I know that I've got everything aligned and in place. If this video helped you at all, please be sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to help out the channel. I'll see you next time.